How's it going, guys? Reyes Restorations over here with another video. I just want to say a quick thank you to the gentleman that commented on the last video. He gave me some really good questions that I should be meaning to ask. I adjusted the carburetor over here. He did tell me to switch from this to more of like a metal one because it's a fire hazard. But apparently AutoZone said that this was, it's safe under the hood, and I don't know how much I should trust that. But either way, I will plan on changing that in the future. Not an immediate concern though. The ignition wires are brand new, spark plugs are brand new. Fire order is triple checked. I just sprayed one of this over here in the carb. And just like that, she fired right up. From my understanding, the Misfire is fixed. I just want to give you guys a quick cold start. Well, not a cold start. I did fire her up this morning to double check. But yeah, let's fire her up and let's see how she does. My goal is to drive her around the neighborhood just one time, and I want to see how good she does. I did adjust the carburetor. I did the tune on that. So I hope I did it correctly. I'm going to spin around over here and let's see if she still misfires. She barely has any gas on her too. So, oh well, let's see. Let's go for a spin. Are working really good, but I do want to eventually upgrade to some powered brakes. She's running fine right now. I'm gonna do another circle over here, see if we find anything. But I just like the fact that how like you turn the key and she just automatically, she turns up. She does need an alignment super bad. That's for sure. None of these gauges are working though. I wonder how accurate this one is. But yeah. She's alright. Everything's working as it should right now. She does have a lot of kick in her, so I'm gonna park up, and it's safe to say that the Misfire is diagnosed. Yep, don't like that. You can literally see where she's leaking coolant, and it's not like just a little bit, it's a lot. Yep, don't like that. I also see some smoke coming over here. I also don't like that. I also don't like that. Apart from having electrical drainage issue, she also has this power steering pulley that's just literally wobbling. Not to mention the leaking coolant, which I'm not gonna touch right now. I gotta clean it up later. That hose has to be replaced. It has to. But yeah, she run and drove like twice around this big circle. Literally did everything as she should. I mean, there was some hiccups as you can expect with an old car, but other than that, she is literally so running. She sounds awesome. I didn't like how I started it up and she sounded not as, you know, fiery as she usually does. But I turned the key and there she went. So I gotta do some other stuff. Tomorrow I'm gonna regroup and I'm gonna make a post on YouTube to show you guys what else we're gonna do. I do eventually want to get a new coolant tank. I do want to get that changed out to, you know, switch it from my factory one, because I mean, if you guys look at it over here, it's not normal. So I do if maybe, I mean, this one might be fine for now. I can just get a new hose and just wrap that around over here and then do the factory location over here. That'll be the more cheaper option. And I just want to say I'm so happy with how the car ran through. Definitely a lot of more work done, but other than that, she is running smooth. Thank you guys for watching. It's Ray's Restorations over here. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna make a post on YouTube, like I said. So yeah, tune in for that and we're gonna see how it goes.